Guys, it's your favorite crafter Shondell of shondellsdecor.com. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go right ahead and do so. So today, instead of working in design space, we're going to move on over to my desk and I'm going to review the We Are Memory Keepers foil quill pens. So let's head on over there and get started. So when you order the pens, you get these 4 and they each have a different tip. See, they're kind of like different pens, a really thin one. And when you plug it in, this one I have plugged in, the light goes on and it takes about two minutes maybe, probably not even that much, to heat up. And you have to have a base just to plug it into the wall because they end up like this. You can even plug it into your Cricut, your computer, whatever you have turned on, and they'll start heating up. So I have these 3 papers here prepped for us to see what color, how the paper is going to come out in each color. Now they come really thin. You get a full pack. From the pack I ordered from HSN, I received this on pack. So now this is one sheet. I use this tape. It's like a purple craft tape, so it's really easy. When it peels off, it doesn't stick and it just comes right off from Amazon. I laid it across all 3, just kind of smooth it out, and just to keep it still, you just tape it down. So now I've had this one charging for about 2 minutes. So this is the one we're using. It's round. It's like a flat. See that? Can you see it? Yeah, there we go. So we're going to do it flat, and I'm just going to do an S. Press down. Right there on each color. And we're going to raise it up to see what it looks like. If you know me, I love gold, so I'm already in love. So you see on each color, you go a little closer. I'm not sure if it's getting exactly how metallic it looks, but it looks really good. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to heat up the others so we can see how they look also. So the next one we're using is the pink one with that little fine pen tip. So I just want to peel this off and straighten it out just a little more. So right under it, we're going to write an S on each color. So we see how that works out. So that's the smaller one, and that's the fine tip. Put it back down, and we're going to get another one. It's like the size right in between the 2 we just did. So it's like a medium ballpoint pen, you can say. So we're going to write on each color. And now you see that 3rd size, how it comes out. That little line was me running across by accident. But I like the way it shows up on all 3 colors. don't know if you can see it from the video, but it's very shiny and beautiful. So we're gonna lay it back down and get the last one. So the fourth and last pen, it's this one. This kind of looks like a flathead screwdriver. So I'm going to stand it straight up and write the S on each one. And also, since it's that flathead, I want to just see if I just drag a flat line down, what that will look like. So let's peel it off. Let me see. Okay, right there with the white, you can see the shimmer there. It is gorgeous. So this is my first time using them, and I am going to be using them a lot now. I think I'm going to sign everything with this.